on to the test for anions. First up, we'll be testing for the presence of carbonate. I'll be adding in an acid. This is your acid-carbonate reaction, which will give you a salt, carbon dioxide, and water. So how do we test for presence of carbon dioxide gas? Is by adding in your lime water, which is calcium hydroxide. So first, I will prepare just a small amount of your lime water. Okay, and over here I have a sample of copper carbonate. I'll be adding in an acid. So the moment you add in an acid, you can see that there's effervescence, and I'll just quickly stopper the boiling tube. So you can see bubbles in your lime water. Okay, just give it a shake for the reaction to occur. And after a while, you would see white precipitate form in your lime water. So this indicates a positive test. There is carbon dioxide evolved, which means there's carbonate anion present.